Friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I'm welcoming you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet and positional trading strategy by using a Google Sheet is as act as a scanner for our advanced option strategy. We find some trades today is about a BSOFT and IRCTC for our positional entry. That is a monthly positional. So here weekly and monthly positional both should be the same. Maybe if you are using that should be an intraday purpose. And the monthly positional also same because this week which started monthly and weekly both as a same. So as per IRCTC, we are looking for a 41. So this is what a fresh breakout. And today after 9:30, we are finding out on our live session and finally closed with the 7% higher from our entry point. But meanwhile, this will move more than 50, I think. So IRCTC, yeah. So this is what our breakout point after 9:30. So fresh breakout which triggers around 41.6 and it went up to 52.6, almost 10 rupees, which increased. The percentage wise, if you are calculating, that should be near about how much percentage? It's exactly 25 percentage, which increased, but we have a bigger target and bigger stop loss based on our positional strategy. And this is the stock which triggers our entry point, and that was moving on intraday also well. And one more stock that is called B stock, maybe it's no liquid, but that is also triggered, and it was trading near about 35%. Sorry, it's 107%. That is means from our entry, we are seeing that was a 7% higher. Some stock which triggers yesterday is about ONGC, not yesterday, 2 days back, as a positional from 192, put option 8.9, and now currently 10.25. Okay, and Glenmark that triggers, and that was giving you, and same which you are looking in the morning, and it was 50 paisa higher from our entry point. And M&M Finance yesterday giving you such a good movement, and now it is still 19 rupees 18. That is what yesterday's trigger. And some of the stock like Siemens is not liquid, and Dalmia Bharat and OB Reality is not a liquid. So we need to find out one or two stocks for opportunity, not to all. So because it's a positional trade, so we are not going to take a 10-15 stocks in a month. So one or two is good enough. So we finding some, and that was giving you such a good result. And as per intraday today, due to 85 points gap up opening, so a lot of stocks triggers in the morning. So we find some IRCTC from 23.7 and it went up to 30 plus. So this is not a trade which we are looking for today. And one TechM is not working well, but 45.3 it went up to 47 max, and then it triggers, and maybe the stop loss around 38 got triggered. And TCS, which we are looking for, the breakout around 104. So 104 that given you 131, that was giving you such a good result. So these are the two trades which you are finding. And third one is about IRCTC 27. 24 is our entry point, and it went up to 33. This is an intraday trade which we are finding for an opportunity. So these are all the trade which we are looking for today based on our Google Sheet and in our live session. Okay, so we are doing a live session on daily 9:10 to 10:10, 1 hour for doubt clearing and question and answer for my students. So we are connecting this live session. And meanwhile, we are using our Google Sheet as a stock option scanner. We are finding some trades, and that was the result. So at the end of the day, so some stocks given you such a good result, some, and even a lot of stock triggers after our live session. That's different. Like Indo Hotel also we are discussing in the morning, and LNT 3020 that was trigger in the pre-open. That means in the first 15 minutes, so ignore. And Indigo 2383, 2380, and something like M&M 44 to 50, and Titan. So a lot of given news. So this is an intraday trade. So every day the sheet would is going to be updated. So when the market is bullish, you can focus for a call side. When the market is bearish, you can focus for a put side. So don't try for all the days the same side, because it is depends on the market condition. The stock positional is entirely different, and intraday trades are entirely different. Positional trade, if you are following, so we are following our advanced option strategy by using our Google Sheet. And intraday is entirely for a based on indicator. Okay, so based on breakout indicator which you used for this particular scanner. So it may be given you some breakout today, and it may not be followed tomorrow. So that may be a reason. So if you are following intraday, so whatever the trade which you have tried and the same day you can exit out. And always some of the students who are messaging me, they will take a quick entry before 9:30 and they will exit before 9:30. Quick profit, 1 or 2 rupees with a lot size of 2,000 to 3,000 they make. But it is a high risky if you are ready and you can play with that. And if you are using my Google Sheet, to play with the safety one because it is a scanner, it is going to give you a lot of opportunity. Okay, so right opportunity you need to find out, and based on the guidance which I have already given, so we can easily find 1 or 2 trade opportunities that would be better for our intraday trades. Positional is entirely different. The positional scanner, that is a positional sheet, is working based on my conditions, based on my strategy, advanced option strategy. If you wish to learn, so no problem, you can also learn the advanced option strategy. There is a one-to-one system and recording courses also available. If you want to know more about my advanced option strategy, you can just ping me on WhatsApp number which shown on this video, or you can check my website link on the description. You can get more detail about my course. And like a lot of stocks, L&T, B stock, Bajaj Auto, 4900, that is also be an opportunity. So those who are watching, this is a stock which is always liquid. So instead of taking a illiquid stock, so you always focus for a liquid stock, Bajaj Auto 4900. So look for this and whether it is giving you the opportunity or not. Just check it. 4,900. So you can see from the beginning, this happening, I think, here, you can see started here, not moved at, and maybe near the closing hour, and immediately it moves. But near closing hours also you can avoid because of intraday trades. Maybe at closing hours the option premium is not moving well. Okay, but it was on closing hour trade, simply ignored it. Into hotel 405. That's a call side. Look for this in the first candle, the first 5 minutes. It's a first 15 minutes trigger. Simply ignored it, but retracement which given. Okay, 15.7. So it exactly made low as 15.4 by 15.7, the retracement entry, and it went up to 21. So that is the opportunity if you are looking for. You can easily find out in our trades in intraday. As our monthly positional, yesterday some trade triggers in the put side that is moving well, like IBUL, it's not a liquid one. Glenmark and the sale today, Sun Pharma yesterday, and Alkem and ONGC. And in today call said two stocks which triggers. One is about a B shop and another one is IRCTC. Maybe this month is started, only 3 days is gone. So we have more days and a lot of opportunity we can get from our Google Sheet based on our monthly positional. And if you are using a weekly positional, tomorrow you can use as an intraday because this weekly sheet is going to be changed and updated for next week by this weekend. Okay, and monthly positional still same for till the month end, and the weekly would be changed, and intraday we have to daily it is going to change. If you are using an intraday, so you can plan with that. So maybe it's going to give you such a good opportunity. If you are planning an intraday, so always focus a good liquid and quality stocks. So as per our today's scenario, so we find out TCS, TKM not working well, TCS worked well, and IRCTC monthly and intraday both working well. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you want to join my live session, you can join on my live session tomorrow. And if you have any other questions and doubt, you just ping me on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.